Have you ever stopped to think about how Coca-Cola was created? This beverage, which is now a global symbol, started in a completely different way than you might imagine. Before becoming a famous soft drink, it was created as a medicine in a small pharmacy. Coca-Cola is not just a beverage, but also a story of success, marketing, industrial secrets, and culture. Come with me and I'll tell you everything in detail. From pharmacy to global manufacturing giant. Coca-Cola was created in 1886 in the city of Atlanta, in the United States. The man responsible for this invention was John Pemberton, a pharmacist who was trying to create a tonic to treat headaches, fatigue, and digestive problems. At that time, it was common for pharmacists to create mixtures known as elixirs. What's interesting is that the original formula contained coca leaf extract and cola nuts, both rich in caffeine. In the beginning, Coca-Cola was sold in small quantities at local pharmacies. It was prepared as a concentrated syrup that was mixed on the spot with carbonated water and served in glasses. Pemberton believed that his formula could help improve people's well-being, but the flavor of the drink quickly won people over. What started as a medicine soon stood out as something refreshing and different. Despite the good idea, Pemberton did not live to see Coca-Cola's success. He faced financial difficulties and eventually sold the rights to the Formula 2 businessman Asa Candler. And that's when the story changed direction. Asa Candler believed in the drink's potential, not as a medicine, but as a commercial product. He invested in marketing strategies that were innovative for the time and turned Coca-Cola into a recognized brand. Among the first marketing actions, Candler distributed coupons that entitled people to a free glass of the drink. This strategy helped thousands of people discover Coca-Cola's unique flavor. In addition, he invested in newspaper advertisements and signs placed in public locations. It was during this period that the iconic red logo was born, written in that classic script font which remains almost unchanged to this day. In 1894, a revolution took place. Coca-Cola began to be sold in bottles. Until then, it was only served in glasses at pharmacies with soda fountains. With the bottle, the drink became portable, reaching markets, bars, and restaurants. This decision allowed Coca-Cola to become popular much more quickly. The bottle became such an important symbol that, years later, the curved bottle design was registered as a trademark. At the beginning of the 20th century, Coca-Cola was already sold in all U.S. states. The secret behind this growth was its strong distribution network, which allowed the drink to reach different regions. But the true global leap came during World War II. The company decided to build factories near the battlefields, ensuring that every American soldier had access to an ice-cold Coke wherever they were. This decision had a massive impact. Soldiers associated Coca-Cola with the comfort of home and the American way of life. When the war ended, the brand was already established in dozens of countries. The drink was no longer just refreshing. It represented an idea of happiness, youth, and even freedom. Today, Coca-Cola is present in more than 200 countries and sells around 1.9 billion bottles every day. The most protected industrial secret in the industry. One of the most intriguing aspects of Coca-Cola is the secret behind its formula. This secret is known as Merchandise 7X, a mysterious concentrate that gives the drink its unique flavor. Only a few people within the company know the complete recipe. The myth surrounding this secret is so strong that even today, no one has managed to recreate Coca-Cola's exact flavor. This mystery is part of the brand's power. The vault containing the original formula is located in Atlanta. At the World of Coca-Cola Museum, a tourist attraction where millions of people visit to learn about the brand's history. The protected steel vault symbolizes the most famous industrial secret in the world. Over the years, many have tried to uncover the formula, but to this day, it remains locked away under tight security. Industrial mixing of raw materials and syrup. This mystery fuels curiosity and increases Coca-Cola's value. Now, how is Coca-Cola actually made? The process begins with the production of the concentrated syrup sent from headquarters to factories licensed around the world. This syrup is then mixed with purified water and sugar, or sweeteners in the case of sugar-free versions. Then, carbon dioxide is added to create the effervescence that gives the refreshing sensation. It may seem simple, but the entire process is highly controlled. The water used in Coca-Cola goes through a rigorous treatment process. It is filtered, purified, and carefully tested to ensure the flavor remains exactly the same, regardless of the country where it is produced. Sugar is also standardized and mixed in precise quantities. The secret of the taste lies in the combination of the concentrated syrup, the carbonation, and this strict standardization. This is what allows you to instantly recognize a Coca-Cola anywhere in the world. Bottle manufacturing. The production lines inside Coca-Cola factories are a spectacle on their own. Highly automated, they are capable of filling, sealing, and packaging thousands of bottles and cans every minute. But everything begins with the packaging. At the initial stage, there are three main types. The traditional glass bottles, present since the earliest days of Coca-Cola and still closely associated with the brand's identity. Aluminum cans, extremely popular worldwide due to their convenience, and plastic bottles, which start as small preforms and go through a process of heating and hot air blowing until they reach their final shape. With the packaging ready, the process moves on to the filling stage. First, the containers are washed and sterilized. Before filling, each one passes through an automated inspection system using high-speed cameras. These cameras analyze every bottle in fractions of a second, detecting microcracks, structural deformations, and internal impurities invisible to the human eye. Filling process. Next, the bottles move to machines that fill them with precision. This is one of the most impressive moments in the entire factory. The filling machines operate at extremely high speed and perfect synchronization, capable of filling thousands of bottles per hour while maintaining millimeter-level accuracy in volume. Specially designed filling nozzles work from the bottom up, reducing liquid turbulence and preventing excessive foam formation. This ensures less waste, greater precision, and consistent beverage quality. Capping process. Immediately after filling, the bottles move to the automatic capping system, where caps are positioned, screwed on, and sealed in fractions of a second under precise torque control, ensuring perfect sealing. Packaging process. With the product finalized, the bottles automatically proceed to the packaging and palletizing stage, where everything happens with extreme precision and speed. Smart machines group the units into boxes that are assembled and sealed automatically. Bundles wrapped in durable plastic film, and pallets stacked in perfectly aligned layers. Within just a few hours, Coca-Cola leaves the factory ready to supply supermarkets, bars, and restaurants. From production to consumption, the time gap is minimal. Behind a seemingly simple beverage lies complex engineering based on automation, extreme quality control, and industrial efficiency. The next time you open a Coca-Cola, remember that every sip has passed through one of the most advanced production lines in the world. Did you imagine the process was this detailed? Comment which part surprised you the most. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.